Insights. As a recruiter, you want to develop specialized reports to use in your recruitment efforts. To enable this, Calibrace provides an easy-to-use reporting system called Calibrace Insights. You can access Insights reports from your dashboard. To create an Insights report, click the Create Report button. Calibrace supports several categories of reports, including applications, jobs, candidates, sub-accounts, employees, and so on. When creating application reports, you have the option to create aggregate reports. You can aggregate applications based on their status or source. You can customize the list of fields you want to see in the report. For example, to include address as one of the report fields, click on the Address field and press the right arrow to add it as one of the fields in the report. You can adjust the order of the fields in the report using the up and down arrows. Calibrace provides the option to add filtering criteria to your report so that you can generate a report with rows that satisfy the filter criteria. To add a filter criteria, click the Add Condition button. This opens up the criteria generator. Now, let's assume you want to see only applications received in the last week in this report. Select the field by which you want to set the condition, that is, Applications. Select the condition, in this case, Received. Set the value, which is last week. You can also add more conditions by clicking the plus sign. Combine the conditions with either AND or. If you select AND, only values for which both conditions are true will be considered in the report. If you select OR, values for which either of the conditions is true will be considered in the report. You may want this report to be seen by other users. In that case, you can share the reports using the Share with Individuals checkbox and selecting the Users from the search bar. In case you had created a visibility group in the customization section, you can share the report with any group by clicking the Share with Groups button. If you want a particular report to be open by default, select the Set as Default option for the report. Click Create Report to complete the view creation process. Any view once created can be used to generate fresh reports in real time by selecting it from the drop-down menu in the Insights section. You can also download these reports to your system in the formats shown here. For aggregate reports, if you want to see the specific details of any of the aggregate values, click the number and it will open up a sub-report with details. This can also be downloaded if required. That sums up the basics of how to use Calibrace to speed up your talent acquisition and management process. There are even more tools and features in the system like Gamified Employee Referral Program, Deep Customization, API Integration, Career Site, and so on. Feel free to contact our support team for any assistance. We wish you all the success in your talent hunt. Let's Calibrace.